Let me show you guys something that's really fun. Toyota, you guys did a good job with this one. So check this out. So, trying to take the sway bar mount off here.
Prepared to die.
And normally, on any other vehicle, well, American made like a Ford, you'd be able to just take the nut off of a stud that's in the frame right here, but no, Toyota doesn't want you to do that. So what you got to do is come in with an extension and sneak your way through all the brake lines here and reach down over the top of the frame and wiggle your way down there. It's hard to do with the camera, but the best part is once you start backing that bolt out, your ratchet comes up and hits your brake lines. What? It's super fun. And if you were to stick it over the top, it comes up and hits, what is that? Some other, it's probably smog or something. Just to take off a damn sway bar, you get to have a lot of fun. Yay! That is also why they make these. To make not fun things fun. I don't know about you guys, but ain't nobody got time for that. And I highly doubt that we're keeping the sway bars, the stock sway bars on this thing after the build's done. Highly. So, next best thing, my best friend. Hello. No more sway bar. So another awesome thing about the Tacoma here that just makes things really easy is in order to remove the rear bolt from the lower control arm, you have to take the rack and pinion off, because as you can see, if you try to back that bolt out that's about 4.5 inches long, it's gonna collide right there with your rack and pinion. So unless I'm doing something completely wrong, this is also a fun thing. They could have just ran the bolt in from the center out and you would have been fine, but that'd be way too easy. Alright guys, so we got it out. It's all good. Now this is the fun part. We have a blank canvas to work off of. So this top shock tower that Tacoma just has stock is all going to be removed too. We're going to plate the frame, create new mounts up top for the upper. We're going to run off the factory for the lower. And the fun part is getting all the geometry correct. That way we can get the four-wheel drive functional while still cycling 80 inches of wheel travel. No, just kidding. It's probably going to be about 16, 17 inches, but full four-wheel drive, long travel, that's what we're looking at. That's what we're stoked about, so stay tuned for the next one.